I think learning is the only way you can really grow. The most important characteristic that a leader can have is being an avid learner that turns it into action. If you're really into learning, you'll have high self-awareness. You'll also have a high reality for your business, okay? And then you'll figure out what you need to do and who you need to learn from to get yourself to be everything you can be and to take your business where you know it can be. Well, I'm doing my podcast. And I love doing the podcast because every time I do a podcast with somebody, I have to learn about them. Okay. So, I recently did a podcast with Jason Kelly, who does Ginkgo Bioworks, and it's using biology to create products. And I had no idea about his company, but I learned a little bit about it. And, I do every podcast I do, I learn something new. But I'm also trying to make my podcast better. So, I've learned by talking to some experts that I need to do a better job of really framing what you're going to learn in my podcast. Tell people up front what maybe the central theme might be, okay, and then come back and recap around that theme. And people are saying, David, we love hearing from the guests, but we also want to hear what your perspective is on some of these things, okay? And that's something I'm very reluctant to do because I have guests and I want the guests to talk about themselves. But I found in the intros and the outros, I'm able to give my perspective without stepping on the guests. And, I think that that's helping me up my game, and I really like where we're taking the podcast.